Hello students, we all know the trigonometric identity. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. But how to prove it? Let's see. In triangle ABC, perpendicular is P, base is B and hypo is H. Therefore, sin x is perpendicular by hypo, cos x is base by hypo. Therefore, sin square x plus cos square x is P by H whole square plus B by H whole square. P square by H square plus B square by H square. P square plus B square H square by H square. Since H square is P square plus B square by Pythagoras theorem, this is 1. Therefore, sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Hence proved. For more videos like this, do subscribe and share. Thank you.